Hello, my math students. I just wanted to come on and talk with you a little bit about this week and just what the homework is and a couple of just announcements. So the first thing is don't forget that we're all meeting, all of your teachers are meeting on Blackboard Collaborate this week. Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. So all of your teachers should have emailed you different links. So that means that the email is actually from Blackboard, but from Blackboard you should have 7 total links as long as you're in 7 different classes. So one for each class. So make sure that you're able to access. If you haven't heard from one of your teachers or you're missing a link, please email that teacher unless they've already sent you some information. Okay, so when you get these links, it'll look something like this. I'm just going to move my hand out of the way. So this would be what the email kind of looks like. This is the exact one they sent me. Your name is going to be at the top, the session name. This is going to be what the class name is, and then the link for that class only. So that's why you have special classes for each particular teacher. And that way it's not like walking into the wrong class, right? And so you're supposed to be in math and you went to English or whatever. So you should be getting an email like this from Blackboard with your teacher's name on it and the link for that you have. And remember, that link is special to you, so don't share it. When you click on it, it's going to log you in. It's going to have your name already populated for you. Okay, so that's kind of helpful. Another thing is there's kind of 2 options for this. I would either bookmark this, especially, let me shrink this a little bit, especially if you're using Chrome. So when you get on to the session and it's something like this, you can actually hit this little star button on Chrome and it'll bookmark your tab for you. That way you don't have to keep trying to find an email. Another alternative is on the website. This is on pre-algebra and algebra. There is this link here, and if you hit make a copy of this schedule, yeah, but it's gonna let me do it. There we go, because I'm kind of over top of it. If you hit make a copy, it'll actually give you a copy of this nice schedule and it'll save in your Google Drive. So you can type in first period, I have math, and the link for this is whatever, copy and paste it over. So you can do that for each one, and then it's nice because it's set up, it's saved in your Google account, so you don't have to find it. It's always easy to access. And it doesn't matter what computer or device you're on. Okay, so just as a reminder also that this is our schedule for next week. So here's today, we had meetings and we have our work day. Tuesdays, tomorrow's gonna be all purple days. Wednesdays and Fridays are office hours. So that's gonna be a time that's optional for you to meet with your teachers, and you'll be getting more information from me tomorrow during class. Or for my gold muffins, you'll get them in class on Thursday. And Thursday, of course, is going to be all of your odd or even classes. So just keep that in mind too. All of this is located on the websites if you wanted to access it. And I'm sure it's by now, it's everywhere. Okay, and the last thing is last 2 things. Homework for tomorrow. There's homework tomorrow for my purple students. So prior to class, whenever I see you, if you are in pre-algebra, you have the Google form number 2 and Ed Puzzle number 3. If you are in algebra, not pre-algebra, you have math space number 2 and then the Ed Puzzle number 3. And that's really important that you get those done because, again, the math space or the Google form is going to be reviewing what we did the previous lesson, and the Ed Puzzle is the lesson for this week. So you want to make sure you get those done prior to class. And finally, don't forget that third quarter is officially due on Friday, so it's over Friday. So any late work or any questions you have about your grades, please talk to me soon. And that is all. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing everyone this week.